हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जिप्सी शिवा। और आज मैं आपके पास एक अनदर वीडियो लेके आ गया हूँ, फिटनेस वीडियो। तो मैंने 1.5-2 साल से योगा जो है रेगुलर नहीं करा है। सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू योगा रेगुलर दीज डेज एंड आई वांट टू शो यू हाउ आई इम्प्रूव। सो आई गेंड ऑलमोस्ट 10 kg लास्ट 2 years में, और मैं अब दोबारा से 10 kg बैक जाना चाह रहा हूँ। आई एम ऑलमोस्ट 82 राइट नाउ। आई वॉज 72 विच इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू माई हाइट एंड वेट। 72 was the best weight. 70 between 70-75 kgs. So right now I am going back in shape, and I have pledged to myself that I will be doing exercise every day starting from today. So everyone has this question कि क्या करना चाहिए, what shall we do, we are just starting, we are just beginners. So I will tell you what all we need to do. Anyone watching this video from Gurgaon, I practice here in Leisure Valley, Gurgaon. Leisure Valley Park, which is now known as Maharaja Swarn Jayanti Park. It's in sector 29 near IFCO Chowk and Signature Tower. Guys, we are starting the exercise. So what I usually do when I start, I have told you, if I do yoga, calisthenics or normal workout, first you need to stretch your body. To stretch your body, I start with stretching upward like this. If you do this, it's very good for your height. If your kids do above 15 years of age, they keep doing this, तो उनकी हाइट पे काफ़ी अच्छा असर पड़ेगा. Very good for the height. And you need to stretch. You need to stretch from here upwards. You need to stretch from here upwards. You need to stretch down on your legs upwards. And from here. And you need to keep stretch and keep hold. तो योगा में जितने भी आसन्स हैं, you need to keep the hold of those asanas. आपको आसनास होल्ड करने हैं as long as possible, and you need to stretch your body. Next, आपको अपनी नेक को स्ट्रेच करना है. To stretch your neck, you need to go 5 times clockwise. आपको नेक को टच करते हुए जाना है. You have to touch your neck and go. Now anti-clockwise 5 times. Next, you need your shoulder. So whenever you stretch, you need to stretch up, bottom to up, or up to down. You cannot start from here, then you go to neck, and then you go to ankle. You need to stretch from up to bottom or bottom to up. So next I am doing shoulder stretch, shoulder rotations. You need to do this 10 times. You can also stretch your shoulders like this. After that, you need to stretch your shoulders sideways from here. Stretch it sidewards like this, your shoulders. नेक्स्ट आप जो करोगे वो आप साइड स्ट्रेच करोगे. टू साइड स्ट्रेच योर बॉडी, यू नीड टू जॉइन योर लेग्स एंड यू नीड टू गो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. नेक्स्ट आपने साइड स्ट्रेच करा है. आफ्टर दिस यू कैन ऑल्सो sideways, you can stretch it out. After that आपको जो स्ट्रेच करना है वो है आपकी थाइस. टू स्टार्ट स्ट्रेचिंग योर थाइस, सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, सबसे पहले यू विल होल्ड इट लाइक दिस एंड आप इसको पीछे की तरफ पुल करोगे जितना कर सकते हो. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट विल स्ट्रेच कम्प्लीटली. आपको ये करना है एंड देन स्ट्रेच, इसको होल्ड करना है. अब इसमें योगासना भी है. If I hold like this is also one yoga asana, but you need to stretch it like this so your thighs stretch from here. Then again you need to do it with the other leg. I'm doing it with the other leg right now. Again you need to stretch from here. Now the next thing we're gonna stretch is our calves. To stretch our calves we need to come in this position and then we need to keep going down as much as possible. When you will stretch like this, basically what you are stretching is your calves, calf muscles. In this you can also go in warrior 1, warrior 2. You can stretch many ways in the yoga, but this is just simple stretching that I am telling you, not yoga right now. Then you go the other side and you need to stretch the calf muscles here also. Next आप अपने ankles को stretch करेंगे. To stretch your ankles you need to go clockwise 10 times, 10 times anti-clockwise with each of the legs. This ankle stretching is necessary and a must for runners. Whosoever runs, they need to stretch their ankles. Very good. You can stretch your wrist. This is I forgot when I was telling you going from up and down when I was doing the shoulder one. After that you can also do your wrist. You need to go 10 times and clockwise. These are all the stretching that you need to do for your body before you start anything. I hope you all are also doing it the same way. No matter which exercise you are doing yoga, running, calisthenics, gym, you need to stretch your whole body before to start, so to get the best result out of your exercise. This is very necessary for your body because it stretches out and you don't feel any pain or something after you do exercise. If you are not doing this, you can have one medical condition because of overstressing your body and your muscles. When you stretch it out before, you don't have to worry about overstretching and overstressing your muscles in any form. Guys, the next thing I'm going to talk about is stretching in yoga. So how you start yoga. So this is basically for all the exercises that I just told you. Now I'm telling you about yoga. To start with yoga, you need to first do Surya Namaskar always. So when you are stretching yourself in yoga, you need to do Surya Namaskar. It's the primary stretching asanas that you can do to start for the yoga. To start for the yoga and to do Surya Namaskar, we'll just do the basic asanas. There are 12 postures in Surya Namaskar. I have made a separate video for that. You can check it out. It has subtitles in Spanish also. So to start with Surya Namaskar, you go with first Pranam Asana. You go up, you stretch backwards. You go down, touch your foot. इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद फिर ये, Guys, thanks for watching this video, and today I told you just about the stretching part for all the exercises and stretching part for the yoga also. तो मैंने जो आपको बताया वो बेसिकली स्ट्रेचिंग पार्ट बताया और योगा में मैंने आपको सूर्य नमस्कार बताया है. सो दिस ऑल इफ़ ऑल यू डू दिस इज़ इनफ to start your exercising day. A lot of people ask me how to start your yoga day. So this is how you start your yoga day. This is how you prepare yourself to do exercises. For first 2-3 days you can just wake up and you can start to do these exercises to start off your day, and you can set yourself a little bit to start off with, and you will be with me on my journey of transformation that I am doing after 2 years. So I am losing almost 10 kgs, and in my next video I will show you what weight I have, because I don't have a weighing machine right now, and what weight I am targeting. तो उसके बीच में जो भी ब्रिज होगा वो हम इन वीडियोस के थ्रू कंप्लीट करेंगे. So follow guys, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and do share it with your friends and family. These are free classes on YouTube and anyone can watch this from all over the world. Thanks for watching.